Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Active transport questions get easy fast when you spot movement against concentration. So watch this quick breakdown and lock in the right choice confidently. Active transport is when a membrane protein moves a specific molecule across the cell membrane. And the key idea is direction. It goes against the concentration gradient, not with it. That means the molecule is being pushed into a place where there is already more of it, which requires energy. So simple diffusion, osmosis, or easy downhill movement cannot fit. Now check the choices. Option C says a protein binds the molecule outside and moves it inside where concentration is higher. So that matches active. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given details and check whether movement goes against the concentration gradient.